Hi guys, these are some most important details about GoPro Hero 9 and 10 battery charger. These are from official answers by the manufacturer. I will add the source on description. Guys, this is original authentic GoPro product. The dual battery charger comes with one rechargeable battery. There's no option to purchase, just the charge. The battery is part of the standard package. It takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge fully drained battery. Now I am telling about the battery life. The battery life depends on the resolution settings used while the camera is in use. For the Hero 9 Black, using 4K 60 frames per second allows up to 72 minutes of recording, while 4K 30 fps can last up to 120 minutes. For more details, search for GoPro battery life when you visit their support site. I am telling more about the charging. USB-C cable is included with the product package. You can use the USB-C charging cable that comes with the package with rated any adapter. I am going to clear this. You can use USB-C charging cable that comes with the package with rated any adapter, but USB-C cable is included with the product package. More about the charger, I am going to tell you the contact between the battery and the charger could cause discharge in the long run. You can keep the batteries in a bag that does not conduct and get wet for better protection. This can be used with USB 3.0 car plug. Guys, this is most important things about the battery charger GoPro Hero 9 and GoPro Hero 10. I will add some details in the description if you want to follow. And guys, this is it. You can subscribe me about more GoPro details and any other camera details.